How to set up shipping zones in the Shopify app. To set up shipping zones using the Shopify mobile app, start by opening the app and tapping the menu icon. From there, go to Settings, then tap Shipping and Delivery. Under the Shipping Profile section, choose the profile you want to edit or create a new one if needed. Tap Create Zone, then give your zone a name like Domestic or International. After that, select the countries or regions you want to include in the zone. Once your locations are selected, you'll need to add shipping rates. You can set flat rates, offer free shipping, or base it on weight or price. Once you've entered the details, make sure to tap Save to apply your changes. Setting up shipping zones properly ensures your customers see the right options at checkout and helps you control where and how your products are delivered. So that's all for this video. I hope this helps. Thank you.